RDX English Learning.
Where can I buy a bus ticket?
You can buy it at the counter.
How much is a ticket to downtown?
It's $3.
Is this a one-way ticket?
Yes, one way only.
Do you sell round-trip tickets?
Yes, we do.
Can I buy tickets online?
Yes, through our app.
Do you accept credit cards?
Yes, cards and cash.
Is there a student discount?
Yes, with a valid ID.
Can I buy tickets on the bus?
Only if seats are available.
Is this ticket refundable?
No, it's non-refundable.
Can I change my travel time?
Yes, before departure.
Is there an extra charge for luggage?
No, small bags are free.
How many tickets can I buy at once?
Up to 5.
Does the ticket include seat number?
Yes, it does.
Can I pay using my phone?
Yes, mobile payment works.
Do kids need tickets?
Yes, discounted tickets.
Is this the correct bus for Route 10?
Yes, it is.
When does boarding start?
10 minutes before departure.
Can I keep this ticket?
Yes, show it on the bus.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
Does this bus go to the airport?
Yes, it does.
Which bus goes downtown?
Take bus number 12.
Is this the fastest route?
Yes, it avoids traffic.
Does the bus pass through Main Street?
Yes, it stops there.
How many stops are there?
Around 10 stops.
Does this bus go near the mall?
Yes, 1 block away.
Can I change buses on this route?
Yes, at Central Station.
Is this an express bus?
No, it's a local bus.
Does this route run daily?
Yes, every day.
Does it run on weekends?
Yes, but less frequently.
Is this bus wheelchair accessible?
Yes, it is.
Does it stop at the hospital?
Yes, stop number 6.
Can I check the route map?
It's posted here.
Are routes changed today?
No changes today.
Does traffic affect this route?
Sometimes during rush hour.
Is this the correct platform?
Yes, platform 3.
How long is the full route?
About 45 minutes.
Can I get off anywhere?
Only at bus stops.
Thanks for explaining.
No problem.
That helps a lot.
Glad to help.
Where is the nearest bus stop?
Across the street.
Does this bus stop at City Center?
Yes, it does.
Which stop should I get off at?
The 3rd stop.
Is this my stop?
Not yet. 1 more stop.
How will I know my stop?
The driver will announce it.
Can you tell me when to get off?
Sure.
Does the bus stop near the hotel?
Yes, right in front.
Is this a request stop?
Yes, press the button.
Are stops marked clearly?
Yes, with signs.
How far is the stop from here?
About 2 minutes.
Is there a shelter at the stop?
Yes.
Can I transfer at that stop?
Yes, you can.
Does the bus stop at night?
Yes, all stops.
Is this stop busy?
During rush hour, yes.
Are stops announced on screen?
Yes, digitally.
Can I wait inside?
Yes, at the terminal.
Is there seating at the stop?
Limited seating.
Does the bus always stop here?
Yes.
Thanks for letting me know.
You're welcome.
I'll get off here.
Okay.
Are there seats available?
Yes, plenty.
Can I get a window seat?
Yes, if available.
Is seat reservation required?
Only for long routes.
Are seats numbered?
Yes.
Can I sit anywhere?
Yes, unreserved seats.
Is this seat taken?
No, go ahead.
Can families sit together?
Yes, if seats are free.
Are front seats reserved?
Yes, for seniors.
Is standing allowed?
Only if seats are full.
Can I change my seat?
Yes, after boarding.
Are seats comfortable?
Yes, cushioned seats.
Is there legroom?
Enough for most people.
Can I sit near the door?
Yes.
Are there priority seats?
Yes, marked seats.
Can kids sit alone?
Yes, but supervised.
Is this seat broken?
Let me check.
Can I sit upstairs?
Yes, if it's a double-decker.
Is this seat clean?
Yes, freshly cleaned.
Thanks for the seat.
No problem.
This seat is perfect.
Glad to hear that.
What time does the bus leave?
At 9:30 a.m.
When will we arrive?
Around 10:45 a.m.
Is the bus on time today?
Yes.
How often does this bus run?
Every 20 minutes.
Is there a late-night bus?
Yes, until midnight.
Does the bus run early morning?
Starting at 5 a.m.
Are there delays today?
No reported delays.
How long is the ride?
About 40 minutes.
What's the next bus time?
In 10 minutes.
Is this the last bus?
No, one more after this.
Does traffic affect timing?
Sometimes.
Are schedules fixed?
Mostly, yes.
Can timing change on weekends?
Yes, slightly.
Is the schedule online?
Yes.
What time is peak hour?
5 to 7 p.m.
Does the bus wait for passengers?
Only briefly.
Is arrival time guaranteed?
Estimated only.
Will it stop longer at terminals?
Yes.
Thanks for the timing info.
Anytime.
That's helpful.
Glad to help.
Is this an express bus?
Yes, it makes fewer stops.
What's the difference between express and local?
Express is faster.
Does the local bus stop everywhere?
Yes, at all marked stops.
Which bus should I take to save time?
The express bus.
Is the express bus more expensive?
Yes, slightly.
Does the express bus stop downtown?
Yes, only at major stops.
Can I use the same ticket?
No, express needs a different ticket.
How much faster is the express bus?
About 20 minutes faster.
Does the express run all day?
Only during peak hours.
Is the local bus crowded?
Yes, during rush hour.
Does the local bus run late at night?
Yes, it runs longer.
Are seats guaranteed on express buses?
Usually, yes.
Which bus is better for tourists?
Local buses show more of the city.
Can I stand on the express bus?
No, seats only.
Are express buses air-conditioned?
Yes, they are.
Do both buses take the same route?
Mostly, yes.
Is the local bus cheaper?
Yes.
Can I switch from local to express?
Yes, at terminals.
Thanks for explaining the difference.
You're welcome.
That makes sense now.
Glad to help.
Is this the correct bus?
Yes, Route 15.
Where do I board?
Through the front door.
Can I board now?
Yes, please line up.
Should I show my ticket?
Yes, to the driver.
Can I scan my pass?
Yes, at the reader.
Where should I sit?
Any available seat.
Is this seat reserved?
No, it's open.
Can I board with luggage?
Yes, but keep it close.
Can strollers come on board?
Yes, fold them first.
Can I bring food?
Light snacks are allowed.
Can I stand near the door?
Yes, if it's crowded.
Should I wear a seatbelt?
Only on long-distance buses.
Is boarding allowed after departure time?
No, once it leaves.
Can I board at the next stop?
Yes.
Do seniors board first?
Yes, they do.
Can I help someone board?
Yes, thank you.
Where's the handrail?
Right here.
Can I stand upstairs?
No, seats only upstairs.
Boarding was easy.
Glad to hear that.
Ready to go?
Yes, let's go.
Can I bring a suitcase?
Yes, one large bag.
Is there a luggage limit?
2 bags per person.
Where should I keep my bag?
Under your seat.
Is luggage free?
Yes, within limits.
Can I store luggage in the back?
Yes, on long routes.
Are backpacks allowed?
Yes,
Is there extra charge for big bags?
only for oversized luggage.
Can I bring fragile items?
Yes, at your own risk.
Are pets allowed?
Only in carriers.
Can I bring a bicycle?
Yes, if space allows.
Is food allowed in bags?
Yes.
Can I access my bag during the trip?
Yes, anytime.
Are bags checked?
Random checks only.
Can I lock my bag?
Yes, recommended.
Is luggage insured?
No, personal responsibility.
Can I bring electronics?
Yes.
Is overhead storage available?
Yes.
Can I put my bag on the seat?
Only if seats are empty.
Thanks for the luggage info.
You're welcome.
That's clear now.
Great.
I lost my ticket.
Please see the help desk.
Can I get a refund?
Depends on the ticket type.
My ticket is damaged.
We can reprint it.
I missed my bus.
You can rebook.
Is there a cancellation fee?
Yes, a small fee.
Can I change my seat?
Yes, if available.
My ticket shows the wrong date.
We'll correct it.
Can I transfer my ticket?
No, it's non-transferable.
I was charged twice.
We'll refund the extra charge.
How long does a refund take?
3 to 5 business days.
Can I cancel online?
Yes.
My ticket won't scan.
Let me check it.
Is customer support available?
Yes, 24/7.
Can I use the ticket later?
Yes, within 30 days.
I booked the wrong route.
We can help change it.
Is there a helpline number?
Yes, here it is.
Will I get email confirmation?
Yes.
Can I speak to a supervisor?
Sure.
Thanks for resolving this.
Happy to help.
That was quick.
Glad it worked out.
How much is the fare?
It's $2.50.
Can I pay by card?
Yes.
Do you accept cash?
Yes, exact change.
Is there a daily pass?
Yes, for $7.
Are transfers free?
Yes, within 2 hours.
Can I use my phone to pay?
Yes.
Is there a student fare?
Yes, discounted.
Do seniors get discounts?
Yes.
Are fares higher at night?
No.
Is tax included?
Yes.
Can I buy passes monthly?
Yes.
Do kids ride free?
Under 5, yes.
Can I reload my card?
Yes, online or at stations.
Is there a fine for not paying?
Yes.
Do I need exact change?
For cash, yes.
Can I get a receipt?
Yes.
Are fares the same on weekends?
Yes.
Does the pass work on all routes?
Yes.
Thanks for explaining fares.
You're welcome.
That's clear now.
Great.
Is this bus safe?
Yes, very safe.
Are there security cameras?
Yes.
Should I wear a seatbelt?
On long trips, yes.
Is it okay to stand?
Only in marked areas.
Are emergency exits marked?
Yes.
Can I talk to the driver?
Only when stopped.
Is air conditioning working?
Yes.
Can I charge my phone?
Some buses have outlets.
Is eating allowed?
Light snacks only.
Is loud music allowed?
Please use headphones.
Can I report suspicious behavior?
Yes, tell the driver.
Is there a first aid kit?
Yes.
Are handrails available?
Yes.
Can kids travel alone?
With permission.
Is it safe at night?
Yes, stay alert.
Can I open the window?
No, windows are sealed.
Is the bus cleaned daily?
Yes.
Can I move if I feel uncomfortable?
Yes.
Thanks for the safety tips.
You're welcome.
I feel comfortable now.
Glad to hear that.
Is this my stop?
Yes, next stop.
How do I request a stop?
Press the button.
Should I stand up now?
Yes, get ready.
Which door do I exit from?
The rear door.
Will the driver stop here?
Yes.
Can I get off at the next stop?
Yes.
How long is the stop?
Just a few seconds.
Should I thank the driver?
It's polite, yes.
Is it safe to exit here?
Yes.
Can I get off early?
Only at stops.
Watch your step.
Yes, please.
Is this the final stop?
Yes.
Do I need my ticket again?
No.
Can I exit with luggage?
Yes, carefully.
Is this downtown?
Yes.
Thanks for the ride.
You're welcome.
Have a good day.
You too.
That was smooth.
Glad to hear it.
I'll get off here.
Okay.
I made it.
Great.